Hey y'all, so this video was meant to be a little bit more relaxing, but there's a lot of stuff going on in the background right now, so I don't know, like, y'all are gonna be able to hear everything. So I'm gonna start off with our beans as usual, because we got a couple of big things happening. So let's just start off with the grow. Y'all see it's basically a bush. Gonna come down here, and this one needs to be harvested. Look at that. Okay, aside from this one, we got a couple other biggies, like this one. Got a couple, I think we got like one or two more. Let me see. Look at these. Good sized beans. We got a fat one. Now I heard when they start getting fat like this, they're ready to go. So I'm just gonna pick this. I have another fat one too, somewheres. We'll pluck this one. Sorry, I know it's kind of hectic looking at all of them, because it kind of all just meshes together. But I have a lot of them hiding. And like I pull one back and I'll find a biggie. So I'm just trying to make sure I don't miss any. Look at what the wind does to them. That's why I put them on these, so they don't go falling over everywhere. Is there any more? I'm gonna take this fat one. Now you're supposed to take these when they're smooth and when they're a good size and not let them get too fat. So got a couple right here, and I think that's gonna be good for the day. So y'all let me know if any of these are not ready and I should have left them on too long or longer. So yes, here are my beans. I'm gonna put those down for a second while I show y'all. This is a watermelon. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna pluck this up because, yeah, those don't need to be there. Okay. This is lettuce that is not really doing that good. It's still very, very small. And then I have my chives that aren't doing that good either, but they're gonna get bigger over time. Oh, I forgot to show y'all my basil. This is my basil. It's hard to see because it kind of blends in with everything else, but it's growing big and tall, and I need to start harvesting. Look at that, beautiful. And the other one is right here hiding. Beautiful. That's it for this. But now we have these flowers that are trying up. But look how pretty they are. Got this one right here too. Now we're on to this. I'm gonna plant more over here because right now there's just chives and lettuce growing, and that melon. Back here are my sunflowers. Obviously sunflowers are gonna get very big, so it's still got a while to go before they bloom, I think. But look how pretty they are. These ones that are darker around, like you see, these are darker and this one's not. These are going to be like a darker red, I'm pretty sure. We got this one right here too. This is another melon. This is a cucumber right here. That's a watermelon. And I think this is a squash. Or this one is a squash. I'm not sure. This, I'm pretty sure, is kale. We have some green onions, which are not spaced out properly, so please make sure you space out your garden, because once all of these melons are full grown, they're going to take over everything. So I really should have thought more about all of this spacing, but it'll be fine. I'll figure something out. These are the green onions. This is parsley, I'm pretty sure, or cilantro. I'm really not sure on that. And I have no idea what that is growing, but we'll figure it out soon. So y'all keep following me on my growing journey, and let me know what I should do if y'all have any more tips or tricks. I'm actually gonna go show y'all the backyard and introduce y'all to my chickens and my goat. So they all come running. Look at the baby chicks. Look at everything. Okay, they're gonna start kicking me, so I gotta go. I don't have names. We had names for the chickens, but then we had way more. This is Kevin. He's our goat. We got him for free because he was eating everything in the feed stores, so we got him for free. And I'm gonna see if he likes these beans. So, oh no, okay. Well, oh, you want it, Kevin? You don't want it? Ow! Oh my goodness. Well, please tell me what he's doing when he does this. I don't know. We looked it up, and it's either, I think it's a sign of affection or a sign that he's trying to assert dominance, and I'm not sure what he's trying to do. The chickens are loving the beans. Kevin, however, not really. Kevin! Okay. Look at the baby chicks. This is the mama right here of the brown ones and those white ones. And then those gray ones, this one is the mama for those gray ones. Kevin, please. And then this is the mama for the brown ones. They aren't very social, so yeah. This is a rooster. We actually got him. These are babies that we got like not that long ago. They were way smaller. Oh, hey, back up. They're so mean. But yeah, look at Kevin. He's very, I don't know how to say it. I don't know what he is. Can somebody please like tell me what he's doing when he does this? He doesn't do it very hard, and he doesn't ram into me. He just lightly pushes. And sometimes I push back a little bit because I don't want him to think that he's dominant over me. But I also feel bad when I do it because I don't want... Ow. He just jumped up and pecked me. I don't want him to think that, you know, I don't love him, because I do. Look at him. Look at his goat face. I was going to put the garden back here somewhere, but obviously we have the chickens to let run loose and the goat, so I didn't want everything to get messed up by the chickens and the goat because we do let them out free and eat. So I put it in the front yard, which my mom wasn't too happy about, but my stepdad told me to do it, so I did it, and he helped me put everything together. And yeah, so I'm just growing. But yeah, this is the backyard. Over there's the chicken coop. Well, we have another chicken coop inside. That's the goat's cage. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoy. And I hope y'all didn't think that I wasted my beans, because this was my first harvest, and I'm not going to really have anything to do with them. So that's why I came back here and gave them to my chickens and my goats, because they won't go to waste, they'll eat them. Ow. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoy. Until next time, bye.